Alright, let's take a start. It's speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions about your hometown. Tell me about your hometown.
Sir, my hometown name is Bera. Basically, it is historical city. Many Mughal emperors came here in many times. Sir,
Mosque.
the main thing is that Sher Shah Suri built a mosque in 15th century here.
Okay, so this is all about my hometown.
Hometown.
Is it a big city or a small place?
Sir, actually, it is a small town, but in recent years, it is making progress by leaps and bounds, and now it is like a
It is
big city.
expanding
It is expanding
like
and-
a big city.
Yes, and now all the facilities are here.
All the facilities are available there as well. Just try to link your ideas together.
Yes.
It sounds like you're making 5 sentences on this topic. Let's go on. How long have you been living there?
Sir, I have been living there since childhood. It's about 18 or 19 years.
Okay, this is a short answer. I have been living there since my childhood. In fact, I was born there, and ever since I've been living there. So I think it's been around 18 to 20 years ever since I've been living in this city.
Yes.
Just elaborate in 3-4 sentences. What do you like about your hometown?
Sir, many things I like about.
There are many things
There are many-
which I like about my hometown.
There are many things which I like about our home.
My hometown, first of all.
First, for Jhelum's river flows in western side
Okay, of my hometown.
of my hometown, and the peoples of there are very good.
People of my hometown are very good. And do you have
And-
oranges there as well in Bhera? Oranges?
Yes.
Is it the citrus region on motorway?
Yes.
Okay, so you should know about it. हाँ किन्नू नहीं खाते
Sir,
वहाँ पे नहीं होते.
नहीं उधर की सर वो मेहंदी और फेनी में मशहूर है
All
सर।
right. Okay, let's go on then. Do you think your hometown is an interesting place?
Yes, yes. I think it is very interesting place because many temples are of Hindus are here.
Hindu temples are there in Bhera.
Yes.
Okay, there are many Hindu temples.
Yes, sir. Sir, in past the Alexander the Great actually came here.
Okay.
Sir, it is very
Very interesting city, and as I mentioned before, it is quite historical. That is why we often see tourists in my hometown. Just try to speak like this, 5-6 sentences. And don't be afraid. You are a lion, not a chicken, okay? Yeah. Are you a lion?
yes.
Good. Say, ooh.
Sir, actually, sir, I travel a lot, 200 kilometers.
Oh my
sir.
God. Today you came to Lahore from
Yes,
Hira. Oh
yes.
gosh. You must be tired, huh?
Yes.
You'll be fine, inshallah, right? Good. Thank you.